Welcome to Community Update number 3 for the Crozet Elementary School Addition and Renovation Project. My name is Kristen Hill and I'm a Community Engagement Specialist with BMDO Architects. Today we're going to talk about what we've been hearing from the community and how it's informed our initial concept design. Then explore what interior learning environments could look like for this project. During our last update, we talked about how unique the Crozet Elementary School site is and what the community thinks we should prioritize for the renovation. Here are some of the images participants reacted most strongly to in our most recent survey. Many described the importance of adequate play space and a desire for it to be accessible to all learners. Many answers also described a focus on the Parrot Branch Creek and leveraging it as a learning environment for the Crozet area students. Overall, there was a community desire to preserve green space and continue to leverage the site as a teaching tool about the natural environment. As a green ribbon school, Crozet Elementary School already does this with features like the rain gardens on site. Through the renovation, we want to enhance and build on these efforts. As we discussed last week, the desire to preserve green space on the site and maximize both views and outdoor access from classrooms is evident in the existing Crozet Elementary School design. In 1995, BMDO designed a classroom addition off the south, which preserves the quality of these original classrooms. BMDO has a proven track record of delivering complex elementary school renovation and addition projects, while allowing students and staff to safely occupy the site. We rely on this list of planning principles to identify the safest, most cost-effective ways to build. Additions to the front of the school may not be desirable, as this critical flat area is needed to expand parking and improve vehicular and pedestrian circulation on site. Adding a significant addition to the back of the school would severely limit exterior play space and views from the existing classrooms, one of the things we heard consistently makes the existing school so special. Increasing the capacity of the school will mean more demand on common resources. To address this, we're enlarging public spaces like the dining, kitchen, and physical education space. This further limits the areas of the site where we could build a compact addition. Based on these planning principles and what we've heard from the community, we propose an addition that would extend off to the south to similarly preserve the scale and quality of existing classrooms. This would allow existing circulation to extend out to the south and create a new central courtyard for gathering. The courtyard would be an active outdoor learning space and could look something like this one at Manassas Park Elementary School. We've heard how important it is to retain the character of and views from existing classrooms, athletic fields, and play space, as well as to preserve the intimate scale of this neighborhood school from the front, where the main entrance is along Crozet Avenue. The additions would have minimal visual impact to the front of the school and maintain the same roof height as the existing building. The south part of the site is currently largely unused due to its steep slope. This makes it the perfect place for an efficient 3-story classroom addition. Teaching spaces will stack along the south with views and access out to the creek that bounds the southern side of the site. Keeping the addition compact also minimizes impact to the existing school during construction. The 1995 addition similarly tucks into the hill and is 3 stories at its full height in the back with a walkout mechanical room. The southern portion of the site also provides fantastic learning opportunities with direct access out of the lowest classrooms to the creek. Here's an early concept sketch of what the addition might look like with a bridge that connects back to the existing building. Now we are going to explore what the interior learning environment at Crozet Elementary School could be like. We invite you to follow along with our survey and tell us what you think. Pause the video and scan the QR code on the screen with your camera app on your smartphone, or visit the survey link on the project website. We're going to move pretty quickly through some inspiration images of VMDO learning environments. Use the SurveyMonkey sliders to tell us if you think the features in each image should definitely be included in the project or are not the best fit for this project. You can always go back when the video is over and add any additional comments if you run out of time. Once you've taken the survey, sign up for an interview to tell us what you think the learning environment at Crozet should be like. Don't forget to try out our new Kids Design activity and submit pictures for a chance to win a Crozet Pizza family dinner. Stay tuned to the project website for more updates coming on the design in the coming months.